Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Timestamps are often used to represent dates and times in various formats, and you may need to compare them in your Python projects. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of comparing two timestamp strings in Python using the datetime module. We will cover various scenarios and provide code examples to help you get started. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. This tutorial is written for Python 3.x. The datetime module in Python provides classes for working with dates and times. To get started, you need to import this module. To compare two timestamp strings, you should first convert them into datetime objects. You can use the datetime.strtime method for this. This method takes two arguments, the timestamp string and a format string that specifies the expected format of the timestamp. For example, if your timestamp is in the format YYYYMMDDHHMMSS, your format string should be %y-m-d%h%m%s. Here's an example of how to convert two timestamp strings into datetime objects. Once you have your datetime objects, you can compare them using various comparison operators like equals, equals, equals equals, and equals. These operators work as expected for datetime objects, allowing you to determine which timestamp is earlier or later. Here are some comparison examples. Here's a complete example that demonstrates the entire process. This code will compare the two timestamps and provide the appropriate output. That's it. You've learned how to compare two timestamp strings in Python using the datetime module. You can apply this knowledge to various scenarios where timestamp comparison is necessary in your projects. ChatGPT.